Zhangjiagang Samsara Machinery Co., Limited, is a supplier of automatic feeding system. Our equipment is widely applied in plastics, rubber, medicine, food and other industries to help them improve the production environment, reduce the demand for personnel and production costs. The user lifts the ton bag to the feed port of the machine through the hoist and puts the material into the ton bag through the beading device. Under the action of the vibration feeder, the material goes to the discharge device and is sucked into the raw material compartment through negative pressure. It can also be directly driven into the aniseed compartment by the tank truck. The material is fed into the pumping device through the vibration feeder anti-bridge device and then transferred to the vacuum bucket through the screw automatic metering. The material is fed into the pumping device, metering hopper through the screw, flows to the pipeline, and then enters the vacuum suction machine in the same order after the weighing sensor reaches the approved weight. The automatic additives batching machine stores of varieties, and each of them is fed to the weighing hopper through the screw in turn. After the weight is calculated by the weighing sensor in turn, the hopper discharge valve is opened, and the material is pouring into the transition hopper. Material temporary storage transition hopper. When the program is switched to suction, the material flows through the pipeline to the vacuum suction machine, under the action of negative pressure of the pipeline. After all the corresponding materials are sucked into the vacuum suction machine, the program automatically opens the dish valve for hot mixing and high-speed mixing. When the material reaches the rated temperature and stirring, the material is automatically opened and put into cold mixing for material cooling and stirring. The cold mixing discharge valve automatically opens and enters the transition hopper from vacuum feeding to the finished product storage bin. The other is from the screw feeding to the finished product storage bin. The material then passes through the finished product storage bin from the screw feeding to the extruder, the vacuum suction to the transition hopper, and the material is pushed up to the extruder through the U-shaped flat. After vacuum suction, the tube chain driven by the motor will transport the material to the extruder. The advantage of vacuum feeding is that material can be transported to the extruder regardless of distance. Industrial Control Room adopts Germany Siemens microcomputer integrated controller. The whole feeding system is directly displayed on the control panel, which can automatically diagnose and correct the wrong parameters. Meet the long-term stable operation of industrial automation system and greatly improve production efficiency.